Okay, today I will go through and share with you Kopi Money Time Part 2 and how you can collect $620 in 5 days. So I have actually did a previous session on Kopi Money Time Part 1 for those who want to tune in to that on how I have actually collected about $500 I think in 3 days or less. You can go and tune into my Facebook page, right? And look at Coffee Money Time Part 1. So without further ado, I'll go into what are the strategies that I've taken to obtain $620. Okay, so first is the buy put strategy for NIO Neo at a strike price of 45. I enter on 12th of August and I did it on 17th of August. So let us go through TradingView to see where I have actually taken the deal. See how I've entered the deal. Okay, let me make sure that I've shared the screen. Okay, there you are. So, okay, so let me extend a bit. So as you can see, 11th of August is where I enter my buy put position, right? And 17th of August is where I exited my buy put position. So when you do a buy put, you want the trend to be down. You want the price to go down. So I enter here, 11th of August, and look at the candle, it's red, 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 and I exited exactly here on the 17th of August when it just turned green, all right? When the candle just turned green and when the MACD, colors will actually flat. The red goes deeper, deeper, and it's actually flat and that's flat actually. So this is the first position. Now let us go back to the PowerPoint chart. Okay, so this is for NEO, $350. Next, I enter a sell put position for SKX. So SKX has always been my very good friend, this sticker symbol, as I did sell put not only once but many times. So this time I entered as well, strike price at $43. As you can see, I entered 3 positions and I got out. And I got out on the 22nd of July on 2 timing, right? On 2 different timing, and the last exit was on the 23rd of July. And I profited $270 in 3 days. Okay, now let's look at how when I went in the trade and when I exited the trade. Okay, so this is SKX. All right, SKX, as you can see, let me adjust the screen a little bit. Okay, so this is where I went in on the 20th of July and I get out on the 23rd of July. Okay, I get out on the 22nd and 23rd of July. All right, so I went in here. That's when the MACD just turned pink. Now for sell put positions, we want to look into after we enter, the price will go up. Okay, the trend will be upward. So as predicted, okay, it went up, went up, went up. At this, when it's at its most peak, I exited, right? I exited. So I exited actually, I think I bought 3 positions. I exited the last position on the 23rd of July. Okay, so this is how I did for SKX. And the last one, the last ticker symbol that I've done is on check point, right? It's a charge point, sorry, charge point. So this one I did 2 sell put, close one on the 29th July and the other one on 12th of August. So I opened 2 sell put, right, on the 20th of July and I closed one on the 29th and 12th of August. So this is a profit of only $96 in 23 days, but don't be don't underestimate the $96 because when you compute in terms of comparing to your fixed deposit in a bank in Singapore, which is only 0.45 or 0.5% annually, now this transaction actually gives you about 3%, more than 3% a month, which is equivalent to 3 times 12, 36% annually, right? If you do sell put and you are successful and collect money and sell put. Okay, so then and again, let's look at the chart again of when I enter and when I exit. So this is charge point, CHPT, sorry, CHPT charge point. All right, so when did I enter, when did I exit? So, okay, I enter, this is sell put, so I enter here, right, which is the 15th of July, and I exited here. Sorry, I enter on the 19th of July and I exited on the 29th and 11th of August. Right, so let me move it a bit over here so that you can see the MACD as well. So I entered here, oversold position, MACD turning upward, sliding from pink to green. It's going upward, it's good for sell put. I hold it when it touches the 200 EMA, went down again and it went up, and I closed my first position. Okay, waited again for more profit for my second position, and it went up here. That's where the green becomes darkest, where the green becomes darkest, and then go light green, and exceeded, and the first light green. So this is how I did the trade for charge point. And okay, let me go back to my PowerPoint chart again. So all together, right, with charge point, with SKX, and with NIO, with the buy put and sell put strategy, I've collected $716 within 23 days. So it's not too bad for coffee money, right? Lots of coffee to be taken. So I know that within this last few days or last week, the market has been very volatile. So I actually are profiting from some of the other strategies like sell put and buy put. Those buy call, which I have taken positions, I'm holding on to it. Some of them are making less profit. Well, some of them are losing. I'm holding that to them. Holding it because I have a long runway, 500 over days or 300 to 400 days. Okay, so for those who would like to have more of this video posting, and if you have not joined the Facebook page, which is investing for wealth and happiness, please feel free to join. Right at this link, just copy and click on it, and you'll be in the Investing for Wealth Happiness Facebook page, where there are 50 over videos that I've posted, like years, 1.5 years before that, and you can see a lot of videos regarding option strategy and value investing. And then you can join the Telegram group, right, at this address here, where you can actually share your views on options trading and value investing. And of course, if you have not gone into the free course, I encourage you to go in. This is free, so that you can look at the 3 lessons there. First is to find undervalued stocks, right? How you filter out all the parameters and get undervalued stock. Number 2 is that it will give you an idea of how I personally go into the stock, take an entry, and take an exit with the best profit level. All right, that's lesson 2. And lesson 3 is a sell put strategy, where I took a sell put positions and I exited before earning release. So after earning release, when the volatility is low again, right, I actually went in again and profited from this ticker symbol. So there you are. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and please, put a like for me and share it to your friends so that they are able to enjoy this video as well and educate themselves. So this is Charlie Wong from Investing for Wealth and Happiness. I shall see you again.